Today I'm very pleased to introduce you all to the next generation in Milwaukee's impact wrench lineup. We at Milwaukee are seen by our end users and competitors as industry leaders. So to maintain our dominance in this category, we have developed an all-new end-user focused, feature-packed M18 fuel mid-torque impact wrench. Back in 2018, we bridged the gap between compact and high-torque impact wrenches. We launched Milwaukee's first mid-torque impact wrench. What drove the development of this impact wrench was to provide a tool with more power than the compact impact wrench, but also a tool that was more compact and lighter than the high-torque impact wrenches. Now, when we compare to our previous generation, you can see we have managed to increase the power output by 135 Newton meters to 745 Newton meters of peak torque, allowing us to fasten up to M22 bolts. With 881 Newton meters of nut busting torque, even the most stubborn of rusted up old bolts won't stand a chance. Due to the increase in power, it means the technician doesn't have to always use the high torque impact wrench, as the mid torque is 1.3 kilos lighter and up to 80 millimeters shorter in length, meaning working overhead in tight spaces, for example, a car chassis, is easier and less strenuous. Despite all this increase in power, we were still able to shorten the tool by 22 millimeters to an overall length of 152 millimeters, once again allowing you to work in tighter spaces. By having a more compact mid-torque impact wrench, the technician doesn't always have to reach for the larger, heavier high-torque impact wrench, which can pose a risk of having too much power and stripping the bolts. Topping off this feature-packed M18 fuel mid-torque impact wrench, we have fitted this tool with tri-LED lighting, which will provide maximum visibility and minimize shadows in the working space. In conclusion, Milwaukee is dedicated to delivering our end users a product that will keep them at the top of their game and also maintaining Milwaukee's leadership in this category. The M18 fuel mid-torque impact wrench is just another perfect example of this, putting our end user needs first. Thank you for watching.